asị m ihe onye chiri ya zere ọ ga-adịrị nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị mma nwoke ọbụla nwere chi tata ya ekele Chineke nwaanyị ọbụla nwere chi tata ya ekele chi maka na ihe Chukwu na-emere anyị erika anyị na-ewetara unu ojirimara Igbo ka anyị bụrụgodo ekwe jebe na ke eze C.C Nwokedi eze ndị Igbo na IJEDODO ọgbọrọ Ofala n'izu ụka gara aga asị m ka anyị jee nọnyere ya ka anyị gosi unu ihe mere na Ofala nke eze C.C Nwokedi mere na Ijegwu Ijodo.
Nna nke m n'eluigwe mụ na ndị kabinet m ndị bụ obi eziokwu eze Okpoko na-esi nara ekele nna mụ na ndị igwe n'ebe a na-esi nara ekele ọngụ abụọ kenge ka kenge nna biko ka anyị ga metụrụ ka ọ bụrụ ihe nke ka ọbara ha Jizọs nna enwe nwoke ọ nwaanyị na-aṅụ mmiri bi na ugbo eji mmiri ọrụ na-azụ ụkwụ n'ala mmiri na-eji mmiri asa arụ na-erinye eji mmiri isi wee sị na ọ gara mma onwe ya mere nna onye ahụ gwara eme n'aha Jizọs eji m ọfọ nna m nyere m eji m ọfọ ndị ikwu nne m eji m ọfọ ndị ụmụnna m eji m ala Obodukwu eji m ala ndị ụmụnne m were sị na ọgụ a ga m n'aka agaghị erenwu m. Anyone the Father of the Son of the Holy Spirit. Amen. To only am for number one.
Oga delege man otutu. Delege man efifi. Delege man anyasi. Ifi ge ni ama nkoge. Ndi ajo mmadụ ama mfuga anya. Fama mfuge na akadni, fama mfuge na akeke. Fama mfuge n'elu, fama mfuge n'ani. Fama mfuge n'iru, fama mfuge n'azụ. Ọfọ anọ anyị na-enye gị bụ ọfọ ndụ.
He's a nice man. This place is Ezeugo. I know a lot of Igwe before I know him, but there's something about him. He's truthful. If somebody come and tell him you are a bad person, he doesn't judge you in your past. He believed in giving second chance. He believed that everybody can be better. And that is why most people don't understand him. But a lot that understand him have benefit from under him. If you have problem, your brother have problem, you come here. He will not ask you, do I know your brother? Do I know you? Have I met you? He will help you, not because you are Igbo or Yoruba. He will help you because you are a human being.
The reason why I took the title is for me to be doing good. Have a good heart to my fellow friends, my business partners, be straightforward and be honest.
Well, it's a normal thing. We have come to join our brother. He's celebrating his coronation. It's a thing we do every time, and we came with our good minds to wish him well.
Every kingdom prays for success, peace. That is what is mostly important. The way Nigeria is now, we need peace. So we pray for success and peace in his kingdom. Likewise, everyone is. That is my prayer.
Telecommunications Nigeria Limited.
C.C is an Eze to behold. He is indeed an Eze from birth. You know, it is said that at times people are born to be kings. People acquire kingship. People for themselves, but I think he's born to be a king. Well, from his activities, he's a welfareism man. If you see his action, he actually born to be a king. He's doing very, very well as a king. I'm here to celebrate with my friend, one of the famous Eze we have in Lagos, Eze Okpoko.
It's happening here today.
Okay, I was giving cake last year March 3rd. So today is the 1 year. After the 1 year, because some people they give them cake, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, then die, and they say God did not choose them. That after you stay 1 year, you know that's God chooses. So today I want to celebrate and tell everyone, say yes, my kids have come to stay to celebrate. I don't write news, I create news. What I do, we ring bell. 1 year now, I have given 70 widows money, each 20K. Next month, I want to empower 300 people, man or woman, train them how to do soap, shawarma, cake, everything. If I do, I'll give some people money to start it. That one is coming next month. I saw one woman, they are burying him inside the bush. They said that's where the husband have land, but there's no house. I use mic, I say in 3 months, I'll build a house here. And I built that house in that 3 months, 4-bedroom flat. From there, in my Obodukwu, I built more than 5 in the Obodukwu. In the Umosh, where I went to do, I went for there, I saw mud house, and the boy is my friend, the chief. I said, how? I built a 4-man palo. And how the money, how I get that money, I don't know. Because I'm driving 4 horses. I live in a flat, and I'm doing so today say, and whatever I promise, God must bring money for me to do it. Because that's so now say for success, I can't imagine me building house for people, selling house for people. How come? How the money come? So I'm even thinking, say, how manage save? Those that I'm building house, because people thought that maybe I can't do it because I'm using 4 horses. Because the 4 horses, they say it's not car. But it's not me to use motor of 15 million. And my brother, my in-law, my friend is hungry. I will sell that car and give them money to take care of the family or the business. So I cannot use that car money, buy motor. Where my family, they don't have food. I have somebody, my cousins, where there's no work, no business. I can also use that kind of motor.
Eze Ndigbo of the EJEGUN kingdom. Eze Omogo. Eze NNAEMEKA Eze EJIGBO.
C.C Nwokedi. Eze nke mbụ na IJEDODO Lagos. Mana anyị ga-ebuli je na be Chief Solomon OGBONNA ka anyị wetara unu. Ya bụ nnọkọ nke ọ nọkọrọ ụbọchị ndị Igbo na Lagos State n'ụbọchị nke tata. E nwekwara ihe nrite o nyere ndị na-arụ ya ọrụ. Ngwa ka anyị je na be Solomon IHECHI.
Lagos 1981. I live with Yoruba people. Even though today I don't speak Yoruba, because my outlook is mostly from the Europeans who is interested, but I go to work. And so many, wicked areas, some other areas to look for artwork. But that does not mean that I don't have relationship with Yoruba, because even with that I didn't hear their language. I don't speak the language of Yoruba. But the relationship between Igbo and Yoruba, no other person, no other tribe have it in this country. It is only a Yoruba man, an Igbo man, and live his life to live with them together without any food. And somehow will not do it. Neither of the Igbo man will do it. It is only Igbo man that the Yoruba man can live his life to live because they are neighbors. So we have